Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Take a complete Marg backup and confirm the admin user is logged in. Once done, make sure all vouchers are entered and reconciled. Open items can block date switches. Check and note the current financial year, start and end dates, and any GST returns that overlap the cutover. Now navigate directly into company configuration to start the financial year change process. Do not proceed until the backup completes, and you can verify balances. You now edit the financial year fields in company settings. Enter the new start and end dates exactly, and adjust the GST filing period if Marg links it to the FY. After entering dates, review the system prompt that summarizes affected ledgers and invoices. This explains how balances roll forward. Confirm and save. Marg will update internal period maps and may recalculate closing balances. If the software asks to rebuild or reindex, agree so that reports reflect the new period structure correctly. You finish by validating results. Run a trial balance, profit and loss and balance sheet for the new financial year. Start to confirm carry forwards. Once satisfied, generate the first GST/statutory period reports to ensure filing windows match. If you see missing or misposted balances, stop and restore the backup you made earlier. Then fix the root cause, such as unmatched vouchers or incorrect date entries, and repeat the change. A single key troubleshooting tip: always restore from backup and reattempt after correcting data inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.